I seen my friends in AVID in middle school, and I thought that it was like a really cool experience. So when it was time for me to sign up for classes in the spring of my 8th grade year, I picked AVID. It made me think about how the tutors when I was a freshman helped me with my problems and helped me, pass all my classes. So I wanted to do the same thing as them. Sports-wise, I play volleyball. I just started playing basketball and I run track. AVID helps me so that I'm able to play those sports because you can't play them if you don't have good grades. So AVID, it helps me, prepare for my tests, prepare me for my IB exams, help me do homework. It's a little bit about sports and then a little bit about family. Education is really big to me because my parents didn't have the best opportunity with their education because they were more focused on raising their kids and making sure that we had everything. So for me, like graduating high school or going to college, getting a degree, it's all for them. Like my mom and my dad, they both had a lot of surgeries in their life, so I was always there to help them rehabilitate, help them with their physical therapy. But as I got into sports and I've met the athletic trainer here, Tyler, it made me see that I wanted to stay in with sports and be really close to it. I got into my first choice college and I'm going to major in athletic training. When I graduate with the degree, I want to come back and help my community, like come back to Harding. You don't really see many female athletic trainers and you don't really see any black ones either. So I feel like coming back and showing like the little girls that look like me or the kids younger than me that they can do the same thing.